People are making millions of dollars and gaining millions of views and subscribers by creating AI-generated videos. Today, I will show you how to make AI cartoon making completely free. Open ChatGPT, ask for story. ChatGPT will make a story for you. Open ideogram and copy image prompt from ChatGPT and generate your image. In ideogram, use Model 1.1 to save your credits. Okay, now go to incognito mode and open mailticking.com to get a temporary Gmail for creating a new Gmail ID, as you need one to log in to Runway ML for free credits. To verify your Runway ML account, copy the code from Mailticking. After verification, go to the Generate Video section. Upload your image, type orbit, and generate. Within a few seconds, your image will turn into a video. Now, generate videos for all images and download them. Now, go to 11labs.io to create your voice. Copy the voiceover script from ChatGPT and generate your voiceover. In a peaceful forest, a tiny kitten got lost. She was scared. Okay, now open CapCut or any video editing software to edit your video. Creating cartoons and storytelling is an art and a creative skill. If you're creative, go make free cartoons and create great content. I'll share my secret method with you. And subscribe if you learned anything from me.